Hi everyone! Let's go on a musical journey and learn all 12 months of the year together. January starts the year cold and white. It's the perfect time for building a friendly snowman in the park. February is full of love. Let's share some heart-shaped cookies with our best friends under the rainbow. In March, the winter ends and flowers start to bloom. Spring is finally here with beautiful colors. April brings gentle raindrops to the hills. Don't forget your colorful umbrellas while you play outside. May is warm and sunny. It's the perfect time to run and play tag in the long green grass. June is here and summer has begun. Let's sing a happy tune together under the bright yellow sun. July is for exploring the countryside. Look at all the beautiful butterflies dancing in the warm air. August is for camping adventures. We're learning how to pitch our very own tent under the big blue sky. September means it's time for school. Grab your backpacks and say hello to your teachers and friends. October turns the leaves to orange and red. Let's jump into the big leaf pile together. November is cozy and warm. We gather around the table to share stories, pumpkins, and yummy apples. Finally, December brings holiday lights and cheer. We sing our final song to end a wonderful year. That was so much fun. We hope you loved learning the months with us. See you next time.